This is Sage from Kalkine. Thank you for joining us yet again. Please stay tuned as I bring you the Australian Market Close Report. Market update, ASX 200 closed in the red. ASX stocks were lower towards the end of the trading session on Wednesday. Energy and materials led the losses in the ASX 200 index. Other sectors that pulled the market down were healthcare, telecommunication services, industrials and financials. But the sectors that added gains to the ASX 200 index were information technology, consumer staples, utilities and consumer discretionary. Iron ore stocks took a beating on Wednesday as reports emerged in China that it would lower steel production to reduce carbon emissions. An anticipated cut in the steel production would dent the iron ore prices, which is resonated by falls in Fortescue Metals, Rio Tinto and BHP Group. Fortescue Metals Group shares were down over 6% on iron ore prices and ahead of its quarterly report on Wednesday. Inflation numbers by the Australian Bureau of Statistics, or ABS, for December quarter took markets by surprise. The data showed price rise of 0.9% during the quarter of inflation in alcohol, tobacco and household goods increased. E-commerce high flyers including Temple & Webster, Kogan.com, Redbubble were seen trading lower towards the end of the session. Stocks with the largest falls in the ASX 200 index were Oz Minerals, Fortescue Metals, Iluka Resources and Beach Energy, as well as Ampol Limited. Stocks with the largest gains included IDP Education, Reliance Worldwide, Pro Medicus Limited, Domain Holdings and the A2 Milk Company. In other market news, Janison Education said it expects to report a nearly 80% rise in revenue for the half year. Its shares were trading near 5-year highs. The online bookseller Booktopia was up almost 15% after the company reported it witnessed strongest December. Iluka Resources tanked on Wednesday after the company reported lower production for some commodities. Overall sales for the year also fell compared to the previous year. Reliance Worldwide shares closed higher as the company gave a teaser of the upcoming earnings. It said the EBITDA would increase at least 30% for the period on a net sales growth of 13%. The company added that the margins also improved during the period. Thank you for your time watching. This is Sage reporting for Kalkine.